In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an out of office entry in Google Calendar. This is a handy feature that will automatically mark you as unavailable, letting your colleagues know when you're not around. Whether you're planning a vacation, taking a sick day, or just need some time away from commitments, setting this up ensures that people are aware of your absence without having to personally notify everyone. First, what you'll need to do is open up your Google Calendar. To do this, head over to calendar.google.com. You'll want to be signed into your Google account, so if you're not already, make sure you log in. This is important as the calendar will sync with all your devices once you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, take a look at your calendar view to locate the time slot you want to reserve as your out of office. You can choose any future time or date, whether it's tomorrow or months from now, whatever best suits your schedule. There are different views available, day, week and month, so pick the one that helps you clearly identify the time frame you're looking at. When you've identified the right time slot, double click on it to create a new event. You'll be prompted to fill in details for this entry. In the event title field, it's best to type in something descriptive like out of office. This makes it clear to anyone viewing your calendar that you will be unavailable during this period. Next, you'll need to set the duration of the event. You can adjust both the start and end times to accurately reflect how long you plan to be out. If it's just a single day, make sure to select the start and end times accordingly. If it's for an extended period, say a week, set the dates to reflect that. This helps in ensuring that your calendar is blocked off so others can plan around your absence. After specifying the time, add any additional details or notes in the description field. You can provide context like the reason for your absence, for example, personal holiday or business trip. This is especially useful for your team or those you collaborate with, providing them with context or even instructing them on who to contact in your absence if necessary. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Save button, or you can simply press Enter on your keyboard to finalize the event. This action will save your out of office entry and notify participants who might try to schedule something with you during this period. And that's it, you've now successfully added an out of office entry to your Google Calendar. With these steps, you can manage your time more efficiently and ensure that your schedule reflects your availability accurately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you in keeping your calendar up to date.